1938, Japan. Soichiro Honda was a poor student who had a great enthusiasm for automobiles. For the last few years, he had been working as a car mechanic in his spare time. With his hard work and passion, he had designed a piston ring that he wanted to sell to the Toyota Corporation. He took his project to the Toyota Corporation, but they rejected it. He was broke, but he didn't give up. 1939, World War II started. But Soichiro Honda kept working on his project and improved the piston rings after 2 years of hard work. Finally, Toyota actually bought his refined piston rings. After this success, Soichiro Honda decided to make his own piston factory. But due to the war, no resources were available. He got together a group of his friends and they together worked around the clock for weeks and finally built a factory. But after several months, the United States bombers bombed his factory, destroying most of it. 1948, finally the war ended. Japan was in total turmoil. Resources were scarce in all parts of the country. Transportation system collapsed. Everyone was struggling to get gasoline for their cars. Soichiro noticed he had a little motor from a traditional lawnmower and he got the idea of hooking it up to his bicycle. And in that moment, one of the first motorized bike was created. He drove it to and from the market and pretty soon many people were asking him to make some for them. He made as many motorbikes as he could with the resources he had. And after that, Soichiro Honda wrote a letter to every single bicycle shop owner in Japan, asking them to invest in his idea. Of the 18,000 bicycle shop owners, 3,000 gave him money, and he manufactured his first official Honda bike. But people didn't like it much. After some modifications, he improved the design and made a new motorcycle, which he named the Cub. And it became an overnight success, winning Honda the Emperor's Award. Since then, Honda has made many iconic bikes and they are being sold in almost every part of the world. Honda has been the world's largest motorcycle manufacturer since 1959. Honda CBR, Honda VFR and Honda CB are the most iconic bikes of Honda, which are famous in almost every country of the world. Honda motorcycles are admired for their superior engine quality and smooth riding experience. Hope you have learned something new from this video. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this.